In this video, we'll demonstrate how to display your subscription widget on your existing bundle builders. As you can see here, we have a regular functioning bundle builder, but with an added subscription widget. This allows customers to choose between a one-time purchase or a subscription and to adjust their subscription frequency as needed. To set this up, we first need a bundle builder on the store, which must be created within the Easy Bundle app. Once you've created the first bundle builder on the store, we need to ensure that we have a subscription app where a subscription plan has been created. This plan should include all products that are part of the bundle builder and offer the subscription frequencies that you want to provide to your customers. We integrate with all subscription apps on Shopify. As you can see, we have 3 subscription plans here, each including all the products that are part of the bundle builder. To display the subscription on a created bundle, we need to open the bundle on the Easy Bundle Builder app. In this case, the test subscription, and go into the subscription settings. By clicking on Get Subscription Plans, you can view all subscription plans that include all the products within the bundle builder. Here, we only have one subscription plan, which we select and save. You can alter the heading that says Purchase Option and change the description as well. The discounts set up on the subscription plans are automatically fetched into this section, but can be changed if desired. We also have the ability to add a description to the subscription widget, which will appear within this card, under the dropdown. This is HTML compatible, so you can copy and paste HTML into this section. Lastly, you have the option to allow customers to make one-time purchases, which can be disabled if needed. You can also change the label of the one-time purchase here. By default, the subscription option is selected. However, if you prefer the one-time purchase to be the default selection, simply enable this toggle. By enabling recurring discounts, the bundle discounts you set up on the bundle will also be applied to subsequent orders of that subscription. If you want the bundle discounts to apply to all future orders of the subscription, enable the recurring discounts here. And that's it. You can then save your changes. Once saved, simply return to your bundle and refresh it. After refreshing, you'll see the subscription options right here. With the subscribe and save feature, you can choose between different subscription plans or even opt for a one-time purchase, selecting products as needed. This will help you set up subscriptions, and if you encounter any issues during the process, you can always reach out to us via chat support. Thank you.